I got a new KitchenAid. So let's open it. Oh, it comes with a list of all the attachments. This is like as big as my head. Okay, so I got the biggest size KitchenAid. This is like the 5.5 quart size. It's a little unnecessary and I don't really need it. And I don't think that if you're just an average home cook and you like occasionally want to make cake or cookies or something like that in your KitchenAid mixer, you don't need a big one like this. But if you're someone like me who uses it a lot, who is cooking for a living or who is making double batches of things, I think having the large size is maybe a good idea. But again, you can find a lot of these used. You can find them secondhand, and they are absolute workhorses. They last forever. Like, absolutely forever. So, I wanted to get the bigger one because mine is the smaller size. My current one, my old one, is the smaller size, and I just wanted a bigger one so that I could make double batches of things, so that when I put things in here, there's like less chance of them spilling out. Also, I like this action better than lifting the head up and down. So that's great. Oh, this doesn't even, like the head doesn't even move on this one. Plus, you know, the speeds are supposed to be better on this one and everything, and I like this blue color. So yeah. Anyways, let's make some cookies in my new mixer. So I'm gonna make a cookie recipe that I have already made in another video, and I'll link it in the description or in the corner here so that you can see it. It's a really great cookie recipe, but I just wanted to test out something in my KitchenAid mixer. Anyways, I really love KitchenAid mixers. I got mine, my other one that you have seen in all the other videos, I got that as a Christmas present in like 2011, 2012, somewhere like that. It's been with me for 10 years. Absolutely nothing is wrong with it. It works great. And the only thing that's happened is that through all of the moving from, you know, like dorm rooms and apartments and stuff like that and houses, is that one of the bumpers on the feet came off, and that's easily replaceable, and it just wobbles a little bit if you lean on it. But I really love a good KitchenAid mixer, but as I said, this big one it's not a necessity for the average person. So anyways, but if you are gonna buy a stand mixer like this, I really think KitchenAid is the way to go. It's been around forever. You can find them used for really good prices. They actually kind of hold their value a little bit. People still, you know, even on the used market, they're still like $150, $200. But it's because they last forever. I mean, they're never going to conk out on you, and they're pretty easy to repair. So that's something to take into consideration if you're looking at buying a stand mixer like this. But I think KitchenAid is great. They've been around for a really long time. They have a good product. The design hasn't really changed, and I think that's because the design is good. So I forgot to show you the ending of the cookies. So they were delicious, but I forgot to film it because my husband and I ate them, and then we immediately just packed them up so that we wouldn't keep eating them. But like I said, you can watch that video. I will link it. And anyways, if you want to see more recipes or if you want to see more equipment reviews, please let us know. Comment down below. And thanks for watching.